Okay, this is recording number 8, viewing PDU information sent between client and server. So what we're going to do is we're going to observe the traffic between the client and a web server. So we need to enter simulation mode, which is right here. And in the simulation tab is right behind the real-time tab. We need to view the traffic by creating a complex PDU in simulation mode. This is a compact PDU. So in the stimulation mode, we're going to do the edit filters. We're going to set it at HTTP and TCP. And then we're going to add the complex PDU envelope in the simulation mode. Click the external client to specify it as the source. So external client is right here. Click it as the source. Okay, in this complex PDU box, we're going to take the settings by changing the following within the Create Complex PDU window, which is right here. Under PDU settings, we're going to select Applications, and we're going to set it at HTTP. Then we're going to click the ciscolearnweb.com, which is this one right here, and that will give us an IP address for the destination. And then we're going to go down to the source port, which is down here, and we're going to type in 1000. Then from there we will go all the way down to the simulation settings, and we'll hit periodic intervals. We will type in 120, and then we will create the PDU by clicking Create PDU. Now once that's done, then we'll double click the simulation panel box, which is this one here, but we're not going to do that because we've moved everything out of the way. So we're going to observe the traffic flow. We're going to hit the auto capture play simulation button, and we're going to watch the envelope move around. And when the buffer window appears, then we're going to close that window. We're going to speed this up, otherwise it could take quite some time. It's got a lot of traveling to do here, so if you'll notice in the events list, you're getting quite a list of things that it's going through. So we'll just continue watching, and it will take a few minutes. I don't know how many times it's going to do this, but it will do quite a few. As we get along with these projects, these seem to be taking a little longer, so I shouldn't expect any less out of this one. I pretty much got it up on top speed, so I can't go any faster, but we are going through a lot of events, so it's going to be quite noticeable. There we go, the buffer's done, so we go previous views, and as we can go into step 2, we want to examine the header of the packet sent between the client and the server. So to view the header information of the packet that traveled across the network, In the simulation panel, click any one of the lines in the event list. This displays the envelope in the work area that it represents. So let's scroll up and we'll just hit that one right there. Click the envelope in the work area window to view the packet and the header information. So we'll click here, and this tells us the OSI model window, tells us the different things that's happened. And then notice that depending on the device that received the packet, the higher or lower the layers include in it. So that's right in here, the in and out layers. That was inbound. So you can see that just because. And then the OSI model window reads the description of the packet. And then we want to click other events just because, see if the possibility, let's see, external client, so inbound, different information that it gives you throughout the different deals. And that's pretty much takes care of that particular video. So I want to thank you for your time.